Hello. I'm doing a Spore video right now. This is my first one. So, yeah. This is my tribal stage parrot. See? Mutant parrot. This is my first one I've ever made. So, I think it's time I tested him out. And hopefully... Oh, dang it. Dang it. I'm so sorry, people. I have to apparently play first. Just hold on. Omnivore. Creation. Oh, come on. Carnivore. Creation. It's a herbivore mutant parrot. Why is there two? Oh yeah. I also made this Therposaurus. I was going all PewDiePie. Here's theme. No theme. Easy. Name your planet. Name your planet. There we go. Seems like a reasonable name to me. If only I had a place where I can just put this camera down. Right. Even if I put it right here on the keyboard. Nope, it won't work. This thing is hopeless. I'll have to hold this camera and do my work video. Unless I can just... No? Alright. Yeah, my horde. Hey, you really only need one hand to play Spore anyway, so... Yeah, I've played Spore before, but I haven't played in a long time. Oh, okay. And it's called the Mutant Parrot Village. Oh. Apparently I have diggery-doos and... Alright. Golden Legend. Use the arrow keys. Oh, God, didn't mean to do that. Use the arrow keys or click and hold the right mouse button to to focus on the camera. Click on a member of truck. Oh. Click and drag multiple to command them as a group. Good job. And for some reason his name is Rykot. Come on, come on, come on. Oh. Well, I guess I could find out how good these guys are. Those things are pure ugly. Guess it's time that I get some... Dang it, why isn't this thing... Come on, come on. Forward! Ew. Ew. Right click on a tree and gather fruit. Oh, you need fruit first. Oh well. Well, I guess I can't attack yet. What is going on? they're supposed to be gathering fruit. What is happening? Well, I did get fruit. And don't worry, guys. I'll make sure to keep making videos of my creations, because I know they're just horrible. Now put all your food away. Wait, I thought I had 3. Oh my god. The baby even got fruit. Oh. Ain't no baby. Oh. Flaming torches. Put away your food, you idiot. Get a flaming torch. Okay, I obviously have no clue what I'm doing and to what is exactly happening, for I cannot control my tribe. For some odd reason, they are extremely hungry, and they will not stop to gathering food. Chieftain! No! No more food! They're stuck on some weird loophole in the game. Ew. Those things are ugly. I don't know what those things are. Look like a bunch of turd. Alright. Fun's over. Finally, you can get your flaming torches, because I finally figured out how to do it. Hey! Now I can attack people. Boom, 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 boom. Hey! Put your food in the basket with the rest. Baby or food? Baby. Make baby and give me these. Just in case. Just in case I need something. Alright. Looks like we got our baby. So, tribe. Uh-oh. Change of plans. Change of plans. Where are they going? What? Mozilla? Where are these guys going? Ew. Those look like turd. Never mind. Looks like I'm gonna have to go to their village and impress them. Unfortunately. Oh, no. I can only attack them. Whoa! An epic Garlock. Jeez. This early in the game is an epic? Okay then. I'm gonna have to order my troops very carefully. Hopefully oh, I forgot. They're birds. They can fly. And no. Friendly them. Macaron. Oh no. Of course the ability is not ready yet. Come on, Maraca.